Stop over-exaggerating me. Welcome, I feel terrible, but hi. Today, we are on part 2 of the fastest cars in American sports. Yeah, and this is the Tesla Cybertruck. We gotta paint this bad boy. Look at the lights, I love it. Electric. Stop that. E-drive. It's electric drive. Look. Wow. Okay, let's see if this car electric vehicle can beat all of the other cars. Look at the lights shine. I like it. Now you should. And look, this is gonna be the fastest car in the game. We're about to figure it out. And no motors, just electric motors. Okay. Let me see if this electric car can beat all of the other supercars. Well, this electric vehicle is sporty with long range. And whoa, look at the interior! Okay, let's try it. Okay, and here we go. 3, 2, 1! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, bye! 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, and 4.9 seconds! I'm done! That is a lot quicker than the 675 or the C70 and the C75 or, well, you know, this is the fastest car. In first place, we got it. Well, we are going back into a concept electric Tesla, everyone. This is based on a Tesla Model S 75D signature. Let's paint this boy because 75Ds are green. Let's go! Tesla Model S 75D Ultimate. The trim is ultimate. Look at this! It's pink! Wow! Yes! Yes! Green gold! I forgot to change the license plates. No! EV for electric vehicle. We don't need the wheels. Whoa, it's a sedan. Okay, we're trying another and even sexier looking electric vehicle, everyone. Is this faster than the previous one? Previous one was called the E-Turbo S, but now this is called the Cyclone S. Whoa! The Cyclone S is an electric vehicle based on a Tesla Model S. Let's see if the Cyclone S can beat the previous one. 3, 2, 1. Before I start it, hey, I gotta say something. What outperformed the other electric vehicle? 3, 2, 1. Woo! 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. I'm done. I'm done. It just said 0 through 100 within 2 seconds. That is a lot quicker than the previous one. Okay? Jump into the Cadillac. Lady Gaga. Now, before I finish part 2, we're going to do part 3. So, part 3 is more awful than you think. A Ford Mustang, Dodge Hellcat. Already test that one. Yes, the 1,000 horsepower car. Or the S75X8. Based on an SSC Ultimate 2007. Look at its V12. Or I don't think it's a V12, V10, or V8, or 6-cylinder. Let's find out. Purple car. Loud. See. It has a V8. This V8 is a V8. But it's modified more than a V12. Wow. This is a sports coupe. I don't know if this sports coupe can be faster than all the other supercars. Okay? Well, that will be technically cheating if we use the boosters. Let's go. What up, perform? The other V8 vehicles. 321, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. But is it faster than the others? Ladies and gentlemen, it is not. It is currently on second place, which means that the Cyclone Bi-Turbo S is faster. 0 to 100. So, finish with part 2. Let's do part 3.